Hi folks, I'm Steve Brents, the sales manager here at the gorgeous Loma Vista Ranch. Let me show you everything this beautiful new Texas Hill Country community has to offer for you and your family. With premier nicely wooded properties ranging from 3 to 12 acres, they're sure to be an ideal place to help you find the relaxing hill country lifestyle you've been searching for. One of the best features of Loma Vista Ranch is its great location. Not only can you enjoy hours of great outdoor recreation on your own piece of land, but you're also just 10 minutes down the road from Kerrville, Texas. A great place for local dining, unique boutiques, annual festivals, shopping. You can also enjoy many of the area's nearby parks and the beautiful Guadalupe River. One of the great things about Loma Vista Ranch is you're not only going to have your beautiful 3 to 12 acre home site out here, but you're also going to have a gated community. You're going to have paved roads. You know, all the things that you want and need to build your beautiful hill country dream home is going to be here, going to be provided. There's some beautiful springs that run through this ranch and a creek that runs through here. And we're just going to have a nice little property owner's park, a place where you can go down and picnic. You can come out and buy your piece of land. You can come out and enjoy it. And then when you get ready to build, come out and build your dream home on it. And that's the peace of mind and the assurance that you get from buying from a company like ours. We've done over 1,000 of these. I mean, it's amazing. They do such a great job, and Loma Vista is going to be a beautiful ranch-style community. You know, living out here in the Texas Hill Country, this is a lifestyle choice. And, you know, just one of the most enjoyable things about this is to just enjoy all of this from your own home, but yet you're 10 minutes to Kerrville. I mean, my wife and I, we absolutely enjoy going to the Calu Theater. There's all kinds of arts and festivals and different things that go on in Kerrville, plus shopping. You know, one of our largest grocers in the state of Texas originated right here in the city of Kerrville, Texas, H-E-B. So it's just a great place to call home. It's a great place to live and enjoy the beauty of all the Texas Hill Country has to offer. And then if you want to go to San Antonio, it's an hour. You know, if you want to go to the Majestic Theater, if you want to go to the Riverwalk, man, it's not that far down the road. Everything is really close. This is just a great location, close to everything, especially if you're into all the stuff that goes on in the Hill Country. You have all the Hill Country wine tours. They are right here in your back porch. I mean, every single one of them. There are so many things to do here in this area of the Hill Country. It's fabulous, just a great place to live. So right now, we are literally standing. This would be somebody's lot. Somebody's house would sit right here and bam. I mean, look at what you have. Imagine your back porch, your swimming pool, whatever you want, your horses out there, but this is what you wake up to and go to bed to every day. You can't beat it. It's amazing. It's never been easier or more affordable to own property than right now. Excellent land financing is available, so give us a call today at 866-999-6616 to learn more about this rare opportunity to relax, unwind, and feel right at home in the beautiful Texas Hill Country. We can't wait to welcome you home to Loma Vista Ranch.